The way you work, it doesn't matter. You're better off to not see anyway.
Did I just waste $700? I wouldn't. Hey guys, Kapper here, welcome back. So the backstory to this particular DIY video is this. About 9 weeks ago, I ordered a new brush cutter for my Bobcat mini excavator. And anytime you're using them brush cutters, you know, you really should get a shatterproof glass or a protection up in the front somewhere. So I priced them out. The Bobcat Forestry, it's a steel screen setup. Without labor and certain parts, I think that was pushing, I think it was priced at $1,500. Then you need a bunch of labor to get that thing mounted properly. Polycarbonate windshield specific for that, I believe, was about $2 grand. So I thought, I talked to my buddy Phil, I'm like, we could do this. So I ordered a polycarbonate sheet, custom fitted to my dimensions for the machine. It's a 1/2 inch thick, and it's virtually indestructible, this stuff. So join us today for the project. I got about 700 bucks or so into it. The sheet costs like 400. And it was like $250 or something for shipping and tax, because it had to be shipped freight because of the size, I guess. Anyways, it was like 31 3/4 inch by like 54.5 inches. So join us for some success, and I'm sure this could be replicated on other machines as well. So let's check it out. Thanks a lot. All right, we're working on this 1/2 inch polycarbonate shield for the Mini, and we've come up with a game plan. So I had them cut it specifically to fit snug inside this top bracket that's existing. Okay, so we're gonna slide it from the top. We're gonna cut a slot around this windshield wiper, and then we're gonna fabricate a little holding shelf down here, and we're pretty sure we'll be in the chips, but we're gonna find out.
Put it in park. Beautiful. I like it.
All right, we're looking for something we're going to repurpose. Phil and I are very similar. We save lots of stuff, especially scrap metal. So we're going to go out to the junkyard here, and we're going to find a suitable repurposing chunk of steel. Look at Phil's organization. I love it. He's super organized. He's got all of his implements. He calls this the pallet yard. But here's living a dream when you got deer tracks everywhere on your yard, even in the pallet yard.
We can just about make that work.
All right, I think we found something a little better. All right, well, we're gonna go like this, something like that.
Something like that.
All right, we got our marking here. Time to break out the MIG welder, right?
We're gonna stitch weld it anyway because it doesn't need that much weight.
And we did disconnect the battery just to be safe.
Did you get it?
Oh yeah. All right, we got it tacked in position. We're gonna cut our slot right over here.
That's too big. That's bigger than we want to be.
That slot's gonna come out.
Too much.
And then we're gonna try it. So here's the blade we're gonna use. It's ultra fine, the finest one they had at the hardware store anyways. Wow, nice.
Okay, then I'm going to also clean that hole up a little bit.
All right, we got tight spacing, but this is the moment of truth. We have not tested it yet. Oh, we didn't factor in that. I guess yeah, we
It goes like that. Pull that out. You might need more. Nope. We need to be a little deeper on that.
Yeah, we're
excellent.
We're a little uneven here somehow.
Push it.
Man, not half bad.
Look at it from the inside. We need to open this up a little bit right here.
Yeah, we'll open that up. And oh yeah, we gotta decide if we're gonna make another cutout up here or not.
Push it back, and what's it look like from the inside?
I mean, it's pushing on them 2 tabs, but other than that, we open that hole a little bit, and maybe we want to leave it like this. You know, because with this flex, it'll really keep it snug up top.
Yeah, but you know what? We don't have to take that much out. Push that up. Oh shit. I'm just making a mark so we can take that off of there.
Yeah, let's go ahead and take it off, I guess.
Anyway. Okay.
It should be running.
I do it so I can see.
Oh. All right, so here's the plan. It looks like it's gonna work. We're gonna finish up the welds down here, hit it with a little paint, but up top, these brackets are perfect. You know, we need another pin like this. I might put a little rubber or foam behind it back here to keep it a little more snug. Probably a little rubber down there, but we're golden, man. It's downhill. It's a done deal. I can't see. Was I supposed to order the clear one?
The way you work, it doesn't matter. You're better off to not see anyway.
Did I just waste $700 with this tint on it?
Wouldn't be the first time.
No, it wouldn't. No, it wouldn't.
There.
All right, now for the real test. If I'm out in the field solo, we went ahead and hit these edges so they're not so sharp. See if I can do it myself. One pin in, 2 pins on the top. We're good to go. I like it. All right, the final test. Let's fire it up. I think we're golden, man. I think we did fantastic on this. We should have you whack it with a stick or something big, but
it didn't break the inner. Don't tell Sharon.
Oh, look at that! So the very last thing, I'm not going to finish today. We need a little more parts. I'm going to put some rubber foam, probably on the back side of this polycarbonate shield, so it doesn't vibrate too much, but it's definitely looking really good.
Yeah, like you know what a broom is.